Hello, in front of me I've got Pulsar GG. In this video I'll show you how to update firmware. To update firmware of your Pulsar ZywOo mouse, make sure it's connected with the PC and go to BBB Pulsar GG ZywOo. Enter settings, and here is the firmware version. Tap download to download upgrade tool. Install the tool. Connect mouse in the wire mode. And next, connect the receiver. In this case we need two cables, because the receiver does not have USB port, USB stick. Unfortunately, right now I'm out of two cables, so you just have to believe me. You have to connect cable and dongle via mouse and dongle via cable to your PC, then press update. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.